Do you know what to do when your Roborock S5 robot vacuum suddenly stops working, the Lidar not spin? Feeling stressed out by this problem? Do you need to find the best solution? We've got the solution. See how we help customers who face the same challenge. Our customer brought us a broken Roborock S5 robot vacuum, unsure what the problem is. The robot vacuum just stopped working and asked us to fix it. After turning on the robot, we found that the Lidar was not spinning and error 1 appeared. We decided to investigate further and found a faulty Lidar and worn out tires. So, we recommend Lidar replacement and tire replacement. But wait, there's more? OMG! Look at this, it's like a dust party in there. Because it's dirty inside, we suggested a deep cleaning service. After the customer agrees with our recommendation, we start the repair. To ensure a smooth operation, we perform unit testing before returning the robot to our customers. Voila! No errors and the Lidar is spinning again. The robot vacuum is back with maximum performance. Just look at it go! Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Do you have a similar robot vacuum problem? Let us be your solution.